Well, the main challenge for traditional companies is the threat from digitalization. That's increasing competition from all sectors, all types of new players entering markets, as well as their existing competitors competing even more. Platform business models are the most powerful there are, but most corporates today don't understand how they work.
Well, platforms are very important. It's the future of business, first of all, in my opinion. Secondly, as an incumbent, we have to change our strategies and find something new. We have to differentiate from competitors in the market, and I believe platforms are the way to do that.
Come here to learn more about digital platforms, and especially to network and meet other guys in the industry and learn from the best, actually.
Well, the Platform Innovation Kit is a wonderful set of tools and a framework to, I guess, sort of pull together thoughts and ideas that people have.
Companies are really struggling to make the bridge or to make the move between academic world and also the implementation world. People are engaged, they work, they're moving around the different sticky notes, they talk to each other, and this creates a common view about the future business and how to go and attack it.
In the purpose of making it more usable and practical, we launched our app, and the purpose of this app is to give an interactive user guide of how our canvases work, but also to connect with the community.
One of the things which so far I found very interesting is the structuring of these thoughts through the canvas. I think it's really hitting the right nails, and it's bringing a bit of relief, I must say, also to start putting things together in a structured way.
It's an easy way of mapping and laying out the foundation of the platform.
Extremely productive and extremely good to be able to do this in a hands-on manner rather than just sitting back and listen, which also is very good. I take a lot of notes.
But more important is for us that we see it really brings cool platforms to life. And then when they start earning money with the new platforms, with the new ventures, this is really the best argument why the kit is really helpful.
You can feel the energy that it creates. And they've got lots of great ideas within the company, but being able to put them in a box and in a structured way is really important. The Platform Innovation Kit is brilliant for that.